Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you that Euro USD, USD CAD, USD JPY, USD CHF, how they have moved in the last week and how they can move in the next week. See, if we look at this chart, what we can see that the Euro USD is moving in this particular range, and I've already suggested in my last video that if any range break upside or downside, we can see good upside or downside movement. Okay, see the low it has made at around 1.117539 and high of around 1.17869. okay, and the high we can see which is of this particular range is around 1.18263. see, now it is trading at this particular range. Suppose if it sustain this level and goes above this level, then we can see a level of 1.1787, and from there we can see a level of 1.17880, and from there we can see a level of 1.8050. okay, and from there we can see a level of 1.1823, because if this range breaks upside, then we can see further move to a level of 1.8529. okay, and from there we can see a level of 1.8784. okay, but it has to come above this level 1.18497. suppose if this level didn't sustain, okay, and then chances will be high that it can touch a level of 1.17614, and from there it can touch a level of 1.17550, and this level is already tested so many times, so chances will be very high that if it come close to this level 1.175, it can go further low and can touch a level of more downside. okay, and I'll tell you the downside also. It can touch a level of 1.17359. okay, if we talk about, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this forex is working. Or if you wish to join my telegram channel, link I've given in the description. If we talk about USD CAD, see, look at the USD CAD data. We can see this range. okay, so what we can see here that if this range breaks upside, the target is around 1.26139 if it comes close to this level, and this level is tested only once, so chances will be higher it can bounce back from this level, or the low I can tell you is at around 1.253. okay, so what we can see here, suppose if it comes close to this level, now it is moving around 1.256, and then the next, if it goes upside, then we can see a level of 1.26102, and from there, and this level is tested. okay, this level is tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can go further high to a level of 1.26647. okay, and from there we can see a level of 1.27409, and it can go further high to a level of 1.27990, and then 1.28135. suppose if it didn't, this level didn't sustain, so chances are high that it can go to a level of 1.255, and from there we can see a level 1.2568, and this level can break downside to a level of 1.24977. okay, and from there it can come to a level of 1.24360. okay, and if it goes more below that level, it can come to a level of 1.24179, which level is already tested twice, so chances will be very high it can touch a level of 1.23670. if I talk to you about USD JPY, see, USD JPY chart, we can see it is volatile, but it is trying to move up. The main resistance we are facing at around 110.701. suppose, and we can see that this pattern is creating here, so chances will be very high that if it crosses the level of 110.603, it can touch a level of 110.712, and once this level is tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 110.821, and from there it can touch a level of 110.929, and if it goes above that level, then we can see a level of 111.092, and from there we can see a level of 111.125, and from there we can see a level of 111.343. suppose if it didn't sustain this level, okay, and if it goes below a level of 110.494, which is a very strong support, it can touch a level of 110.386, and from there we can see a level of 110.125. okay, and from there we can see it didn't sustain that level also, 109.983. okay, this is the level it can go to a level, because, but what I can see is that trend is an upside till the time it didn't cross a level of 110.386, we are on the upper side, or till the time it didn't cross a level 110.743, we are on the upper side. But these are all my personal view, what I'm sharing with you. Please consult a financial advisor before investing or trading. Okay, if we talk about USD CHF. Okay, look at this chart. We can see that it is trying to move up. Okay, if you look at this pattern, we can see a pattern is created here. So what we can see here, you have to look at this pattern in a longer way. But if you look at this pattern, suppose a strong support we can see at around 0.91896. okay, but it is not at this level. Now a strong support we can see above that level is at around 0.91944. suppose if didn't sustain this level, then we can see a level of 0.91896, and from there we can see a level of 0.91865, and if it didn't sustain that level, then we can see a level of 0.91804, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 0.91689. okay, suppose it didn't sustain if it sustained this level, and if it goes above a level of 0.92017, then it can touch a level of 0.9260, and from there we can see a level of 0.92133, and if it goes above that level, then we can see a level of, it can cross a level of 0.99218, because these levels are already tested twice, so chances are high that it can touch a level of, from there it can touch a level of 0.2230, and from there we can see a level of 0.92321, and this level is already tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 0.92455. okay, and we are on the bullish side if it crosses a level of 0.92145. okay, and if it sustain above a level of 0.91902, we can see that it can be on the upper side, and we can see a pattern is creating this way. So an upside pattern is created, but if it goes below a level of 0.9896, then we can see it can go further low downside. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.